Hi and welcome to another appdevelopers.biz web tutorial. Today we're going to look at how to add push notifications to your application. Right, as you can see, I'm already logged into the control panel and on the page generation code. This is only for resellers and white label app developers. So we go here and we click on iOS Dev Center, which is here. That will log you into Apple's iOS Dev Center. There you go to here to go back to your provisioning profiles that we saw in an earlier video. Then we click here at any one of these links here. So we click here on App IDs, and then we scroll down to the application that we're going to use to start building adding push notifications. So we click here. That will expand and you'll see push notifications configurable. We click edit and we scroll down to push notifications. Now for apps built on buildapps.biz, you will only need the productions SSL certificate, as development certificates have already been tested on all our applications. So we go down to production SSL, we create certificate, we press continue. Okay, now that they're going to ask you to upload a certificate request. Right, now we're going to have to go back to our keychain here. So we have to go up in the spotlight, this small magnifying glass in the corner, up in the top corner of your computer, and type key. And that will bring you up keychain access. You click on keychain access. And that will bring up a list of all of your keychains on your computer and all your security. So now we need to go here, we go to the top here and click on File, Keychain Access here, and then you go Certificate Assistant, request a certificate from a certificate authority, and you click on that, and you fill out your information here, and you click Save to Disk. So you save the certificate to your computer. You don't need to fill out and see an email address as you're saving it to a disk. You click continue. And I'm going to save mine to the desktop for today just so we can find it easy. And you click save. Now that's done. Okay, right, then we click back here onto the website and click choose file, and we navigate back to the desktop where we saved the file earlier. And you'll be able to find the certificate for signing the push notifications. And then we click, once that's uploaded, we click generate. This may take a couple of seconds. And that's perfect. Now that's created. You can see that the certificate's been created and your certificate is ready. We now click here, download, and that will download a .cer file. Right, now we need to navigate back to our desktop here, and we need to open the downloaded file, which I'm going to drag and drop onto my computer desktop here, just for ease of finding, etc. Right, now we need to double click on that, and that will import into your certificates here a push notification certificate into your keychain. Now we need to, I'm going to create a folder on my desktop just so we can find this again. I'm going to call it push. Right, going back over to our keychain window, we now need to export two .p12 files. So the first one we're going to take is the certificate. So we're going to call this one. Go here. We're going to right mouse click on the top file, which is app productions iOS push services, and the name of the app. We right mouse click and then we click export Apple production iOS push services. So we click there, and this one has to have a precise name, which is APNS hyphen cert, and then that will be dot .p12. Right, you click save. I'm going to save that directly to the folder which we earlier created on the desktop. The first passwords you won't need, so you just click OK. And then the second password is the password off of your computer that you used to log in. And we allow. Right, the second one we have to click on is the name of the person, which is the little key. To get this, we have to click on the arrow to expand. Then we right mouse click again, and then we go export the username. And this one has to be called key, and it's key.p12 once again. Then we press save. Once again, for the passwords, the first set of passwords we don't need. The second set of passwords is your computer's password. And that's it. Right, okay, now you have the two files. We have to merge those files and create one .pem file. This will be the file that you upload to our server so you can send your push notifications. To generate this, we have to do this in code line, so you have to go to the terminal. So to find the terminal, the easiest way is to go in the top corner here, click the magnifying glass again and write TER. And then you'll see terminal. Terminal, we click terminal. Okay, now we need to navigate to the folder inside terminal that's on our desktop. So we write CD, and then we drag and drop the folder into the place, and that will give you the full path. Then we click enter on our keyboard. Now we're inside the push folder, as you can see, push. Right, now the next step is to do the code. I won't be writing the code, I will be copying and pasting it, but I'll also copy and paste this onto below the video in the comments. Right, the first line of code looks like this, okay? And after typing that, we just simply press enter, and it will ask for an import password. I generally leave this blank, so you can click blank, and then it will say Mac verified OK. Next piece of code that we need will be for the same piece of code for the key, so we click there. This is the code that we have. We click enter on our keyboards. That will ask for the same question. We'll leave that blank. Mac verified OK. You'll be requested another password, so we'll enter a password this time. Perfect, and you're asked to verify password. Brilliant. Now that's done, we will have to enter another code. Here's the next line of code. As I said, this will be in the comments below. So we click enter, and you'll be asked for the password that you just entered. So we just enter the password again, and it will say writing RSA key. And then here's the last code that we need to be able to upload and create our PME file. As you can see, the last part of the code is apns-cert.pem. So we copy and paste that code and we click enter, and you're all done. As you open the folder here, you'll see some folders that are generated, but the one that's interesting to us is this one here, which is the apns-cert.pem. Right, now if we go back to our Internet Explorer, or I use Chrome, we go here to Chrome, so I just drag that back onto here. And I'll go back to the Build Apps control panel. Perfect. So here I'm loading the list of my apps. And here we're going to upload our PME file. So we click on the small pencil here. And then we click log into CMS on the side here. Now that will bring up the CMS with administrator rights. The reason you need this with the administrator rights is because push notification, the upload here will only show for the administrator and not for your users. So we scroll down and we click push notification. As you can see, upload the PME file. You simply click here, choose the folder off your desktop, the PME folder, which is APNS app-search.pem. We click, we open, and we submit, and that will upload and authorize push notifications for you. That was how to build the certificates to be able to send push notifications for our resellers and for our white labeled users. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to post comments, or you can quite happily contact me either via Skype at appdevelopersbiz, all one word, or you can contact us by email on info@app-developers.biz. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye now.